Yeah, it's cook time.
Hello GrayPans. Today we're going to be cooking the Sanji Cookbook. This is this is Sanji, he gave it to me. He did that. So we have all of our ingredients out and here, wait, zoom in, enhance. Those are the steps. Here, you want to read the steps? Come here.
Because you're dyslexic? Yeah.
No.
Okay, so the steps are cut pork into 1/2 inch pieces, which we didn't get that type of pork because it's too scary. And place on a tray, then coat with salt, pepper, and flour. I'm putting the 1/2 teaspoon of salt and I'm putting the flour in. That's right. I'm gonna put some pepper in there. My favorite pepper. This is black pepper, but I like this pepper better. Do you want to put in the flour and stuff, or do you want me to do it?
You got this.
Okay.
Luffy doesn't cook in the show, it's more accurate.
You're just here for the ride?
Yep. It says cut garlic in half.
Cut it clove in half?
Yeah, I don't know what germ is. What is germ?
Probably like
Germa. No, it says cut in half first, you numbnuts.
long ways or sideways?
Doesn't specify.
Does it?
Doesn't.
Oh. Now what does it say?
And crush with the flap of your knife. 1/2 mushrooms and cut onion into 4 wedges.
The onion's in the bag.
Like the fries?
Oh my god.
These look washed. Just like me in Fortnite, I'm washed. Anyone get that reference? Washed?
I don't get it.
Yeah, it's because you're not a Fortnite pro. Like
Oh,
everyone
no,
else.
dude.
1/2 mushrooms and cut onion into 4 wedges. So do you have to cut the stems off of these things? Oh, chat.
Okay.
Check that out, chat.
Did you say cut mushrooms in half?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like, you know what a half is? It's like down the middle.
Okay, yeah.
Doesn't even know you gotta take off the whole stem.
It's optional.
Yeah, well, options turned on.
Alright. What now?
It says put vegetables, oil, and garlic into a pot.
Vegetable oil and garlic.
Yeah. What are you doing right now?
Making the garlic fragrant.
Making the garlic fragrant, according to Ella, is what's going on right now. Wait, chat can't
Can you
see.
please move it? I have no space to see what I'm doing.
Wait, overhead camera. DIY.
Oh boy. Can you let me know when it's fragrant? My nose is stuffy.
How am I supposed to know?
So you can smell it?
Okay. Can we not curse?
Sorry.
I'm like Nick A30, except I'm not. I'm not. So.
Okay, well I can smell it, so obviously you're not telling me.
I can't.
I can.
Oh, but you're closer, so.
So let's take it out.
Take it out. You're taking it out right now?
Mm-hmm.
Oh yeah, booyah. Got that on camera. Okay, do I put the meat in?
Yes.
Do you want to put it in?
You want to put it in?
Oh, you put it in, so now I record it. Ready? Here, ready, watch. Meat goes in. Meat going in. Oh, classic.
We have too much. Can I like see the pot?
Booyah. It's like Cyborg from Teen Titans Go. Flowers in. In there like somewhere. It's good enough. It's going here too.
I'm gonna grab the chicken stock, fill it with the same amount. Come on, I need the chicken stock.
Okay, sorry, I'm trying to invest.
You don't need you pouring the chicken stock in the thing because we're just gonna pour it into the pot.
No, like invest, get it into the stock. It's funnier the second time. Stock delivery.
Put on the stock. Hey, baby. Chat, is this boiling?
Those bubbles.
Yeah, but that might be a simmer. It's melting, it's not gonna make a noise.
That's just what you think.
Well, I'll try the pot. All right.
What? That's surprisingly good.
That is delectable.